Gaming is the fastest growing market in the entertainment industry. In just 2 years, it is predicted that there will be more than 3 billion active gamers. Within this market, games developed by independent studios have seen the greatest growth. In 2022, indie game titles have risen by 4% share among US gamers, 6% higher than the second highest delta held by MMORPGs.
Stacks aligns the buying power of bargain gamers with the interest of indie gamer developers. Our platform incentivizes users to vote for games they want to purchase. Any titles that reach a critical mass vote are entered into purchasable game stacks through our integrated crypto wallet options. Our value proposition is twofold. For indie developers, we provide a runway for launching games, access to gamers, and reputation growth. For bargain gamers, we provide discounts and access to new games, giving them control to curate content they desire. The fastest growing gaming regions are also the areas that are economically disadvantaged. Stacks is committed to supporting the gaming ecosystem. To this end, we are putting forward a 20% of Stacks profits to fund low-income families from these regions and projects verified through the Giveth a Zero free community-driven donation platform with regenerative funding opportunities.
So now I'm going to start the tech demo of our DApp. So let's say I want to go buy games at a discounted price. I'm going to go to our Stacks website and I'm going to navigate down to where the stacks are. I'm going to scroll all the way down and let's say I want to buy an group of action games for cheap. So I'm going to click on the stack and it looks like my wallet is already connected. But just to make sure I have the right wallet, I'm going to log out, I'm going to sign in again, and I'm going to be using MetaMask. So I'm going to buy the bundle, clicking this button, and I'm going to confirm. Okay, and now we're going to wait for this transaction to go through. Okay, looks like the order purchase is completed, so now I'm going to claim my NFT reward for making the purchase. So I'm going to be directed to this website, and I'm going to click the come along for the ride, and this will direct me to a Discord server. So it looks like I was invited. I'm going to accept the invite, and I'm going to continue to Discord. And it looks like Collabland is asking me to verify my assets. So I'm going to click let's go, and this is going to basically check that I have the NFT that will give me access to the different channels in the server. I'm going to connect the wallet now. I'm going to verify it by clicking this. And cool, my wallet is connected. So if I go back to Discord, I can see that I have the access to all the different channels now.
Okay, here I will walk through the structure of our GitHub repo and code. At our root, we have the two important folders, which are the website and the backend folder. Now let's start at our website folder. This is where all the code for the front end of the website, which is built with Next.js and React.js framework. Inside here, one particular piece of code I want to showcase is our Cypher push notification integration code. And then you can find the deposit event handler TypeScript file in here. In here, you'll find our parts of code for the wallet notification related to our user interaction on our DApp. Now let's move on to the backend folder. This folder contains our smart contract and business logics. In here, you'll find our two important smart contracts, the zkBob contract and the site platform contract. The zkBob contract handles the zk integration by making calls to the zkBob interface provided by the protocol. And the stack platform contract is responsible for our business logic, including the storage of the bundles and the facilitation of user buy transaction on the platform.
I will now explain how we're gamifying our community on Stacks.
Stacks is centered around building community and rewarding user engagement on our platform. We shine as a Web3 solution by incentivizing user interactions through on-chain rewards and providing access privileges on Stacks. Users of our Stacks community can claim a variety of NFT badges based on their levels of accumulated points. This is facilitated by Nouveau Power, a service that provides and issues non-transferable NFTs that can be launched as a campaign to drive interest and gauge user metrics.
On the campaign page, the end user will be able to view a variety of NFT badges. They can claim these based on their accumulated score from using Stacks. Stacks is designed to connect the rapidly growing gaming industry by leveraging Web3 community engagement tools. Our tech stack pipelines content creation and reputation building for indie game developers. We are community centric by distributing great content through the collective voice of gamers and giving back to verified donations.